Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and my channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. This video is going to be a shoe review from Nikki B's Shoetique. Now in my opinion, every woman should have a little black dress in their closet. A sexy dress where the only accessories that you need is some red lipstick and a sexy sandal. So I think I have the red lipstick covered, and now I just have to get my shoe game covered. So I was sent 4 pair of sandals from Nikki B's Shoetique to review, and I'm going to decide which ones are the ones for me. So just to give you a little bit of background about Nikki B's Shoetique, it's based out of Jacksonville. It is online only. She does ship everywhere within the US, so I apologize in advance to my lifestyle lovers that are located outside the US, but right now shipping is only being offered in the US. There's a standard shipping rate of only $5, no minimum, but if you are located here in Jacksonville, she does offer pickup. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Every shoe comes with the Nikki B's Shoetique bag, whether you have it shipped or you have it picked up here locally. So you do have that bag, just depending on how you like to store your shoes. And all of the shoes pretty much came packaged, you know how shoes come with the tissue paper right here in the toe part. Of course it has been removed because I've tried them on. But when I first seen this shoe, I did not think that I was gonna like it on my feet, but I actually did. When I tried the shoes on, I did not zip it down. I just kind of slid my feet in there. There are 2 straps on the front, 2 clear straps, and then 2 ankle straps. And I do wear a 7.5 if you guys are wondering. So all of the shoes are a 7.5. But this, I will say about this shoe, it does have a very high arch. So I wouldn't think that I would be able to wear them for a long period of time because the arch is so high. But other than that, I really like this shoe. Of course, it pairs well with a little black dress. Okay, and the name of this shoe is the Nude and Clear Ankle Strap Heel. And this shoe retails for $34. And the second shoe I tried on is the Tiger Black and Brown Slip Heel. And as I stated, they all come with, you know, the tissue packaging to help keep the shoe in its current shape. And it has like the tiger print with the black strap and the clear strap going across. This is so sexy. And so this one also has a high arch, not as high as the Nude Pump, but this is a shoe that you probably definitely, when you want to wear it out, you want to make sure that you have somewhere to sit. I know for me, 40 and up club, so I don't wear heels that often other than when I go out, but this is a great heel that you could pair, of course, with a little black dress. It'll also look good with some jeans. I really like this one as well. Okay, so another one of the sandals that I tried on is the black snakeskin heel, and this one retails for $32.50. Now this heel I did notice was a little bit lower than the Nude Pump and the tiger print heel, so it'll probably be a little bit more comfortable to walk in for long periods of time. It does have a pointed toe, and then as I stated, I'm not sure the inch of the heel. It may be on Nikki B's Shoetique site, but it is a little lower than the other sandals that I tried on. And this is another one that I, just looking at it, I wouldn't think that I would like it once I tried it on, but I actually did. It does really look cute on, and I'm not really used to pointed toe shoes, but it looks really cute on. So it has like the tan, and I guess maybe a little bit of black and a little bit of gray of the snake print. And last but not least, lifestyle lovers, we have the silver flat sandal. You guys know that I am a sandal girl. So I really, really love these sandals, and I love the bling. It has a gold tone to them as well as the bling. And it has the silver lining and then a clear strap. So one of the things that I notice about these sandals are they are a little big around the ankle. So I may have to add another hole in order for them to fit around the ankle. I don't know if my ankle is considered small or that's just the way they come. But if you order these, just keep that in mind. But it's, you know, it's nothing that I can't add an extra hole just to tighten it up. And you will see that as I model the shoes, but it is in a 7.5. So of course I paired it with the little black dress, but you can pair these with anything, being that the crystal, being that the rhinestone is pretty much like a transparent clear rhinestone. You can pair it pretty much with any color, but these are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous rhinestone sandals. Here's the up close of them. I really, really love these, but just depending on the size of your ankle, they may be a little big in the straps. But as I stated, if I decide to keep these, I am just going to go ahead and just add me another hole so they will fit a little tighter around my ankles. Okay, lifestyle lovers, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the review on these sandals. If you guys are interested in any items that I have reviewed here, or anything that you may have seen on Nikki B's Shoetique, I have a 15% offer code. It is Erica15. I will link it below as well as in the description box. There is no minimum order. You get 15% off your entire order. You also can follow Nikki B Shoetique on Instagram. I will link that information below as well as in the description box and on Facebook. And I also want to bless one of you lifestyle lovers with a pair of shoes from Nikki B's Shoetique. So I've decided out of the 4 pair that I reviewed, I'm only going to keep 2 pair. So if you can guess, lifestyle lovers, which 2 pair out of the 4 that I have reviewed, which 2 pair that I plan to keep, I will gift a pair of shoes to you from Nikki B's Shoetique. So make sure you link your Instagram or your Facebook name below, and the 2 shoes that you think that I am going to keep, and I will randomly select a winner. You can go on to Nikki B's Shoetique, select a pair of shoes in your size, and I will have them shipped to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. All of the information that I have shared with you in this video will also be linked in the description box, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.